Model, 2021 Renault Master Business Front-Wheel Drive, LL35 dCi 145 Low Loader Luton needs head gasket. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 132,673. MOT, the 24th of January 2025. Engine, 2299 cc 150 HP 6D temp, light duty, front wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, air con, sat-nav, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.